Hello, my name is Philip Kedge and I'm a retired Police Chief Inspector, and I've been a McKenzie friend since 2012. I would like to just share a story with you today about how I saved or indeed protected a client who phoned me up for 1 hour free consultation from obscene and extortionate legal fees. His situation was basically this: he had a young child, hadn't seen for a few months, contact had been stopped, and the mum is a dual citizen, a Dutch national, and she had threatened to take the child back to Holland if he applied for contact and child arrangements. They weren't married. He didn't have parental responsibility because he wasn't on the birth certificate. So basically, he wanted to have access to his son. He's concerned that mum was going to just take the child off to Holland and not return. And also he wanted the provision of parental responsibility. So he told me that he went to a solicitor. And the solicitor said to him, because of the complex nature of your case, I advise that you need to come in and I'll arrange for you to speak to a barrister, and the barrister could then help fill out the forms and give you the suitable advice. And the fee for that was £2,500. Absolutely unbelievable. Thankfully, the client looked on YouTube for a McKenzie friend, and my blogs popped up and he went to my website and gave me a call. I said to him that actually his situation is fairly straightforward. What we need to do is to apply for a child arrangements order using the form C100. We also need to look at a prohibited steps order, which is part of the C100 application, just to apply to the court to prevent his ex-partner leaving the jurisdiction of the UK with the child pending proceedings. And thirdly, a very simple specific issues order just for him to obtain parental responsibility. I did consider, on listening to him, there was a sense of urgency about the application, and so he put the application in for hopefully within 14 days. That's what we submitted it for a first court hearing. And we also suggested that the first hearing should be without notice, because he firmly believed that if she was aware of the application being made, that she would just leave, because she had no ties in the UK whatsoever. She had no housing ties, no employment ties. She can literally get on a plane and leave the next day. I supported him with that application, put it through to the courts and supported him to do that for £50. And he's now going to stay on my books, and I'm going to support him through the entire process. And we're just currently waiting for that application. It's been received by the courts for us to receive a decision of when they think the first hearing should be and whether it should be without notice. £50 compared to £2,500. I don't know how these lawyers actually sleep at night. His case is not uncommon. I get people every day phoning me up, being quoted extortionate fees from lawyers for work that is just not justified. So as a McKenzie friend, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not a legal entity, but I know how to fill out forms, I know the process, I know the procedures within the family court system. And myself and people like me can help you at a fraction of the cost of these extortionate rip-off lawyers. So please give me a call. I'll be happy to give you a 1 hour free consultation, as I did my client the other night. I look forward to hearing from you.